Like, you just gotta walk. If this doesn't work and turn out, I'm sorry. I just thought this would be a cool idea because it's like the fall. Why don't you explain, just give me a minute of like who you are. You know, you're in the PA Woods and Forest community, PA Woods and Forest crew with Frog Week. Now we're branching out to do another program. Right now we're roughly calling this All Seasons, and you can see there's a tent behind Josh. So go ahead and introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Josh. Yeah, I'm just trying to get out there and look for different things with Aaron. Started PA Woods and Forest a little while ago, and I've been trying to tag along for some of the trips, and this is our first camping trip. Just some car camping. We're not going out real far, but it is cold for September at least. We want to get more involved in going out, so this is a good way to start. Just start something simple, get used to some gear, see where we need to improve. We're out in Somerset County in Pennsylvania, so we'll look for some different things. I don't know if we'll find anything right now because it's cold, but yeah. Just to get used to going out. But we'd like to get more into backpacking and find more remote spots, but for right now, that's what I have to do until next season.
Tent right there. So I've got a 4-person tent from Coleman, and I don't have my cover, so you can see he has his cover right there. His cover's on. I let some friends from work borrow it, and that's kind of the result. Now I have to find a couple things. I think they're at the house. It's just that it wasn't all put together. And I had to work today, so we had a little bit of a frustrating situation just trying to get to this point, but now we've got the tents up and everybody's getting excited. We're gonna start grilling here, well, griddling here, so it's gonna be fun. That works. And so it's a Blackstone griddle. It's a small one, it's a 17-inch one. We're gonna have some griddling here. Some chicken. I actually didn't bring anything because I didn't have any time, so all the food that you see was prepared by Josh. So that's a good shot.
All right, dude. Yeah, it's cooked through. These are pretty small cubes.
We're starting the All Seasons playlist, storyline, series, whatever you want to call it. There's going to be a new series that we're going to be doing. It's going to be ongoing as the weather permits. We're also going to try and do this again in the spring, probably after parties for Frog Week. Whenever we go certain spots, we'll probably have the opportunity to stay over and camp, and we could griddle with that Blackstone griddle I got. So we're out here in Somerset. This is the first location where I found the eastern gray tree frog in Somerset County. It's pretty remote. There's a little bit of civilization out here. You can hear windmills behind me. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera or on the mic I'm using, but anyway, yeah, so there's also windmills. There's a farm, like an abandoned farm. So we've got all that to play with here. Very few neighbors in this neighborhood here. So it's really remote. There's been acid mine drainage here, and there's been all kinds of deforestation. There's been strip mining. So there's a lot of stuff that's happened out here, but the gray tree frogs found a way to survive, and we're finding a way to camp. So all seasons, for what you can expect, we're going to be trying to camp. We're going to be trying to camp in slightly warmer weather because it's about 42 degrees right now where we are, which is cold. Yeah, so we don't really expect a whole lot to be out tonight. This isn't necessarily a series if you're looking to find frogs and toads or other animals, this might not necessarily be that. It's just going to be more about exploring the outdoors of Pennsylvania. And you're going to hear a lot more from Josh, one of the members of the PA Woods and Forest crew. He's really going to spearhead this series. He's really going to take this to the next level. He's all about action, adventure, and hiking. So that's going to be one of the things that you can look forward to with this. We're going to be going to some unique places. Alright, you gotta get in this. Alright, so where we're standing, we had our tents. This is a bad shot. Hold up. Maybe if we... That doesn't really help. It's so cold. I don't know if you can see you can see my breath. Yeah. So we actually had to call it quits because it's about 38, 39 degrees. It looks like there's gonna be a frost here. There's actually fog that's starting to come and like go through this field. So it's just a little bit too cold for us to do this. So we're gonna tap out for tonight. We normally wouldn't do this, but I didn't have my cover for the tent. A little colder than what we predicted, what we thought, and
You would have been wet and cold, and yeah, it just would have been bad not having that cover.
Yeah, so not having that cover was a huge problem, and you know, the cold, and it just seemed like things kind of weren't working out, but we're gonna make the most of it. We at least got to enjoy ourselves out here, have a pretty chill night. You know, yeah, we got to griddle a little bit, got to go for a little walk, kind of see the area, so pretty cool stuff. But yeah, so we just wanted to tell you guys that, and you can expect more from this all seasons series coming soon. In about a couple weeks we'll have another episode probably, but I mean, signing off here from a frosty Somerset County episode. Man, where's Josh?
Hello.
There you go.
Have a good one.
All right, we'll see you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.